Okay, this tutorial is just a really kind of fundamental basics of programming. So it's basically about how to add a JavaScript file to a HTML file. So one thing you will need is the extension called Live Server. If you're using VS Code, I'd recommend using it. So the Live Server allows you to kind of launch a development local server so you can see what changes you're making and make sure everything's linked up correctly. So let's create the files. So we'll create an index.html file. You can open up a boilerplate for the HTML, which basically just gives you all the basic details you need by hitting Shift, exclamation, and then tab. So let's save that. Now we need to create a JavaScript file, so we'll just call that app.js. So within this one, we'll just do a console log. And we'll just console log something basic like hello. So we'll save that one. We'll go back to our index page. It should be at the bottom of your body. So we'll add a script tag. And then within that script tag, we'll add a source. And that source needs to add the app.js file. So save that. When you're opening Live Server, just make sure you're not trying to do it from a JavaScript file or a CSS file or something like that, because it won't open up. It has to be within a HTML file. There it is, open Live Server. So once we open that up, it should open up in your browser. If not, you can check your localhost. So we'll inspect it, and in our console, we should see hello, and there it is. So that's how you add JavaScript files to HTML files.